Hello everyone, welcome back to Prime African Estates, your trusted platform for exploring beautiful homes all across Africa. Today we are here at Shangri-La Villa at the heart of Ongata Rongai. We are going to explore a full tour of a 4-bedroom house, all enclosed. As you approach the villa, you're welcomed by a securely, manually opened gate with a paved pathway that leads you to the house. Moving on to the front yard, you have a perfect garden space which adds a welcoming touch to the home. Whether you're a nature person or you're looking for a place for tranquility, this is a place to be. It itself offers enough space for parking a vehicle and still leaves room for creative landscaping or even a cozy setting. To your left is a well-fitted private guest room that has ample lighting and ample space for both comfortability. As you can see, you have well-fitted wardrobes which provide enough space for your clothes and even your shoes, and also lower cabinets which offer extra storage for your clothes. Moving on, we have spacious washrooms with a well-fitted sink, a cabinet, and even a washroom which is separated from the bathroom with a transparent mirror. Just past the entry, the sleek built-in cabinets which offers you space for storage and even lower cabinets. There is ample space to set up your lounge area however you like it. Whether it's a cozy movie night or just an elegant living space, this is the right place for you. Adjacent to the lounge area is a well-fitted, dedicated living space area which has enough space to fit a 6 to 8-seater family dining table. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a cool family space, this is just the right home for you. Just around the corner, you'll find a neatly tucked guest washroom. It's compact yet stylish with a toilet, sink, and a mirror. This offers you the kind of space that tells your guests feel right at home. Welcome to the heart of the home, the kitchen. We have a dedicated pantry offering you storage for dry foods and supplies and even spices. Moving on, you have both upper and lower cabinets which provides you enough storage space for your kitchen utensils. And right next to it is a well-designed cooker and oven for your meals. You have an elegantly designed water faucet for washing your vegetables and even utensils. Leading to the bedrooms is a floating, well-designed staircase that offers you enough space to up and down the house. Let's move on to the bedrooms and see what we have. Welcome to the master bedroom. And when I say master, this is what I mean. It has enough space for side tables, a 6x6 bed, and even space for home office. If you like, you can also set up a space for your makeup table for all our makeup girlies. The room offers you a view to your own private balcony which gives you ample space to set up your own chilling spot area, giving you a great view of your surrounding and the landscape around the area. Moving forward, you have your own spacious, well-fitted dressing area with fitted wardrobes that provide ample storage for your clothes. Then coming in here, we have the washrooms. As I said, all bedrooms in this house are en suite. You have access to your well-furnished sink, a mirror, a well-fitted toilet, and a bathroom area. Remember, the bathroom is separated by a transparent mirror. You have a boiler room with a heater. bedroom. Remember, the house is connected to electricity. The room has ample lighting, which is provided by sliding windows, which also offer you an outside view of the house. It has its own well-fitted wardrobes to offer you space for your clothes, and its own toilet and shower area with a well-fitted sink and mirror. And here is our fourth and final bedroom. It is well fitted with wardrobes and spacious enough to offer you both space and comfortability, with side tables and enough room for a bed. Such great decor and attention to detail, this is not just a house, it's a home. The house offers access to an open laundry space. Moving in, you have ample space for your washing machine and also has an extra washroom. Moving on to the back, you have a spacious backyard space which has space for your hanging lines and kids to play. And if you like, you can set up your gazebo with good fencing, which offers you privacy and separates you from your neighbors. You are ensured comfortability in your own space. What more are you looking for in a house when you have this at the heart of Ongata Rongai? And that wraps up our tour of this stunning 4-bedroom all-en-suite villa here at Shangri-La Villas, Rongai. And this house can be yours for only 20.5 million Kenyan shillings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You're only one call away from becoming the next homeowner.